Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series, Inorganic Chemistry for you. Here you have I3 minus triiodide. You have to find hybridization and save. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. H equals V plus B minus C by 2. V represents valency, B is bonded atom, C is charges, and lone pair formula will be H minus B. If you find the H, you can find the structure and geometry. Here iodine is central metal atom, valency is 7, bonded atom also iodine, so you have to, so charge is there which is minus 1. If you substitute in the formula, you have 7 plus 2 minus 1 whole divided by 2 which gives 5. So lone pair will be 5 minus 2 which is 3. So H5 means it's a trigonal bipyramidal structure with sp3d1 hybridization. The structure is trigonal bipyramidal with 3 lone pair. The lone pair always at equatorial position is stable. So 3 lone pair at equatorial position. Axial position you have iodine. So continuous iodine leads to the linear structure. So the shape of I3 minus is linear. Hybridization is sp3d. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.